Okay, the excitement is real. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amanda, and today we are doing a fancy unboxing. If this is the first time you're seeing one of my videos, hey, what's up? You should probably hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. Okay. Anyways, so recently I have been a pretty lucky girl. My honey bunny, Josh, as you all know him as, he surprised the crap out of me. Okay, so as most of you guys know, I broke my real true camera that I film with. I have been using the Rebel T5i for so long, and over the Christmas break I broke my lens. It was a nightmare. So Josh, being the ultimate supportive, wonderful fiance husband in the whole wide world, you know I love you, boo. He took it upon himself to order me a new Canon lens. Now, when this came in the mail, I was like, what? Oh my gosh, like so freaking happy, because this is not in the box anymore. I'm actually using it right now. And a little bit of a backstory, I have always used the 18-55mm lens. I absolutely loved it, but the only problem was I could never ever use any type of autofocus. And I've always heard about these like super fancy lenses with like silent motors and like special autofocus things and whatever. Oh my gosh, he got it for me. So right now, I don't have to worry about fussing with the distance I am from my camera, so I can use a little stick to press the button to focus on me and then start recording. I don't have to worry about none of that anymore. I can literally set my camera up now. This is so freaking amazing, guys. I can set my camera, put it at the distance it needs to be, all that kind of stuff. I'll show you. I don't even have to use this spatula anymore. This is what I used to press the button to focus, and then I could record, because I have the little button thing that you press and it'll record or it'll take a photo. I have that. So this guy, see you later. I don't need him anymore, and I couldn't be happier. So now my camera, if I set it at a certain, I guess, distance, I'm not sure, please don't come at me if I'm using the wrong lingo, but I can set it like how I am right now. I put the little square where I need it to be, and it just like does the little bit of focusing. It doesn't even move the lens. It's freaking magical, guys. Oh, I don't even know like how he found this lens for how much he found it for. Like, it was insane, because you know when you get your packages, like usually there's like a packing slip with the price and all that kind of stuff. Like, I could not believe it. If you use any type of Canon camera, I'll leave the link to the lens down below, because I'm telling you, it's freaking amazing. It's silent. I love it. I was actually kind of excited when I broke the camera, when I had to start using my phone, because oh my gosh, my phone autofocuses. But it actually was complete opposite. It was crap. So, oh my gosh, I was so freaking lucky for him to get that lens for me. Like, you have no idea, but it does not stop there. Hang on, my battery's gonna die any second now. I'll be right back. Okay, perfect. I'm back. So the luck didn't even stop there, guys. Like, for the past forever, okay, like a really long time, I have been eyeing up like Canon, PowerShot, whatevers, because if I want to do any like on the move videos or vlog style videos or like anything other than sitting in front of a camera stationary, I have to use my phone, and like the colors are screwed up. I have no idea. Maybe I'm just cursed with a really bad phone this time or what, but I have a Samsung S7. It's not like one of the super brand new hot off the line or anything, but you would think the camera would work. And whenever I use the front facing camera, like the color can never ever be right. Like, see, I have blue eyes, but when I use the front facing camera on my cell phone, I have brown eyes. So then I gotta move around and like try to get lighting and whatever, and then I gotta be at this stupid angle, and it was just a freaking nightmare. So Josh picked up this beautiful little box from our Costco. And do you know what's in this little box? It's a Canon PowerShot SX730. Now, this camera is perfect. It's not like $700 or $800. It's a camera that I can use and do vlog style videos. I can do like double shots. Oh my gosh, this is going to open up so much more for us guys. Like, when I said I had the most supportive husband, fiance in the whole entire world, I'm not kidding. Like, most people look at YouTube as like, okay, like, what is that, like a hobby you like to do? It's kind of stupid. But he looks at it as like, I see how happy it makes you. I see the emotion that you get when you're filming and when you're editing and how freaking happy it makes you. So this camera is perfect for me. It came in like a bundle, so you get the camera, of course, and it also came with this very nice Canon camera bag. It's like the faux leather, so no animals were ever harmed during the making of this video. And this camera here, to be totally honest guys, come on, I already opened it, I already put the little wristlet band on it, I already put the memory card in it and all that, so I just wanted to do a little unboxing with you guys because this means the world to me. So here's some papers and of course the directions for the camera, but who needs these, am I right? Like, just figure it out. That's way funner. So, okay, ready? You lift this up and there is the beauty right here. Oh, there she is. She is going to be a huge part of our lives, guys. There she is. So there is the body. It has a really good lens, really clear, really crisp. So why don't we take a little tour of her. So it of course has the screen on the back, but you can flip it up so then you can vlog with her, and I absolutely love it. I haven't really played with the settings yet, but I think I need to turn up the white balance a bit. But this is her. I can't even explain to you guys how happy I am. I can't wait to do videos using this camera. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. The main reason for the video was for the gifts that Josh was so wonderful for getting them and supporting me and everything like that. And like, I cannot wait. I have huge dreams for my little YouTube channel here. I can't wait for us to grow and grow and grow, but we gotta start somewhere, you know what I'm saying? And hey, don't forget, follow me on all my socials. Those are linked down below. And if this is the first time you're seeing one of my videos, hey, what's up? You should probably hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. Okay? Well, you should subscribe anyways, because I would really appreciate it. Anyways, guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I love you guys so much. The Fam Bam truly means the world to me. Well guys, I'm going to end it here, but don't worry, we'll be hanging out real soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys!